Hello guys, welcome to Tech Cuckoo. This is your Christopher. In this video, we're going to talk about the Govee LED Strip. I have got a model H6159 which is 5 meter long. Also you can say 16.4 feet long. So this LED strip is non-waterproof version. Also the waterproof version is available in the market. So this LED strip is Wi-Fi compatible, which comes up with an app called Govee Home. So later point of view in this video, I'm going to show you how to download that app and how to use that app to have a LED strip setup. So basically I have got this LED strip to have a nice background for my work this year. So I'm going to show you that also in this video. So kindly watch this video till the end. Let's get started.
So before we get into this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified on our future videos. Now let me unbox this Govee LED strip and see what are the things we get inside this box. So I did the unboxing. Now let me show you what are the stuff I have got from this package. The very first one is quick installation guide, which contains the key points of installation like do's and don'ts, how to clean the surface and how to use the alcoholic purple to clean the surface, things like that. So this will be pretty useful to set up the LED strip. The next one is a very nice blue color customer support card, which contains a social media profile information. So actually you can use this one as a bookmark of something like that. And here comes the 5 meter RGB LED strip, which comes with a kind of a plastic circle holder. This is pretty lightweight and easy to hold in your hand. The next one is the very nice user manual with multiple languages. So you should actually refer it to how to set up this LED strip. This contains all the information about your LED strip setup. So this one is 3M double coated tissue tape support clip. This will be pretty useful during the LED strip setup to support the LED strip on the surface. So the next one is the LED strip controller, which contains 3 physical buttons on it. So later point of view in this video, I will explain you about these 3 buttons and how to use this controller. Now last but not least, the last piece of this package is the DC power supply. As you can see, I have already connected my DC power supply with my power socket here. So this one comes in white color. I really like it because this is my favorite color. So like the support clip, the controller also comes with 3M double coated tissue tape. So this will be really helpful to stick the controller on the surface anywhere you like. So before we get into the actual LED strip setup, I would like to show you how to use this controller and what are the use of these 3 physical buttons on it. Now let me explain about the center button. So this one is all about changing the RGB colors. So by doing the single press, actually you can change the predefined colors like red, white, warm white, green and blue, yellow, purple, and these are all the predefined colors. By doing the single press, actually you can change it. So the last button is all about controlling the brightness, and also by doing this single press on it, you can change the mode of the display. Like there are different display styles available, so like fading away and flicker and things like that. So by doing the single press, actually you can change the styles of the display mode, as well as the brightness of this LED strip can be controlled using this third button. So by doing the long press, actually you can change the brightness. You can increase and decrease the brightness also. So the first physical button is all about turning off the LED strip and turning on the LED strip. By doing the single press, you can turn it on and off. So as you can see, this is pretty simple to handle. So now let's get into the actual LED strip setup process over here. So this is gonna take some time, so kindly bear with me, because as of now my work desk is very minimal. Still it took some time for me to set up this LED strip. So kindly follow the same procedures if you have the same work desk like this. So the first thing you have to do is take the alcoholic purpose which comes along with the box, as well as the soft towel. So you need to clean the surface where you actually gonna stick this LED strip. So first clean the surface like this. So just clean the corners and surface properly. Then actually you need to take out the alcoholic purpose which was given in the box, and also you need to clean the same surface again, so that when you actually paste the LED strip, the impact will be very good. Otherwise, because of the dust over the surface, your LED strip might fall off. So take out the alcoholic purpose like this, and clean the surface and corners of the work desk. So it's not only about the work desk. Here my purpose is to have the LED strip set up on my work desk. So anywhere you like, you should clean the surface. So these are all the instruction actually given in the quick installation guide. As I have mentioned earlier, you should refer the quick installation guide before you get into this step. So now it is all about the setup. So this RGB LED strip comes with the tissue tape. So do not peel off the tape for the whole tapes, because that's not advisable. So take it inch by inch or slowly, and once you are done with the sticking of that little part, then peel off the remaining part. So now I'm a little bit fast forwarding because it will take some time. So now I'm doing the LED strip part for back side of my work desk. Also I have already I should cover the side and corners of this work desk. So now I'm doing it for the right hand side of my work desk here. So now I'm done with the sticking part. Now let me get back to the connecting portion of this LED strip setup. So this part is pretty simple. All you need to do is connect the missing dots. So the 4 pin needs to be connected this way. Watch the clip closely and make sure that it has been sticked well on the surface. You can use the support clips like this. And now, as I have mentioned earlier, my power adapter already connected with my DC power supply. It has one end like this. This needs to be connected with the other end from the controller. So yeah, this is the one. So just give a little push and connect it together, and that's it. Here it goes. Ta-da! Now we are done with the LED strip setup over here. Now let me show you how cool and vibrant background we have got for our work desk here. Now let's download the mobile app called Govee Home, and let me show you how to use the app and control the LED strip from your mobile. So Android or iPhone, go to your Play Store or App Store and type Govee Home. So that's an app you need to download to have this setup done. So this will take a while, just bear with me. So now we have installed the mobile app. Let me open that for you. And I have already connected with the LED strip, and yeah, this is how the user interface looks like, and I will explain you the features one by one. So first we'll talk about the timer option here. You can set up the start time and end time. It's kind of giving an instruction to the LED strip to turn on and off automatically. This is one of the very cool feature available in this app. And the next one is all about the brightness. So you can control the brightness using this app. You don't need to go to the controller and manually change the brightness level. Using this app from anywhere in the room, you can change the brightness, which is pretty simple. And the third one is all about do it yourself mode. It's kind of creating a preset with a collection of different colors and styles. So as you can see, I have already selected few colors which I like, and few styles display modes I like. So also you can give the particular level of brightness and apply all this together as a style. So this is one of the most attractive feature available in this app, so you can give a try based on your likes. And other than this, we have different modes available in this app. So the very first one is all about the music mode is all about this LED strip is capable of listening to the music or voices available in the room. So it will get synced to that noises, and the LED strip will display the lights.
So now you can see how prettily it is getting synced with my voice, and the noise available in the room is being well picked by the controller. So you can see it's getting along with my voice tone and the bass of my tone, and based on that it's getting synced and displaying the light along with that. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Now let's move on to the next mode called color mode. So here you can have the colors selected using this slider. So first one is all about selecting the colors. The second slider is all about selecting the warmness of that color. Also we have got the color wheel option, where it basically let you select the color you like. So this color mode is all about selecting the colors you like for your LED strip to display. And before getting to the third mode, this app has got a power button. Virtually you can turn it on and off. So yeah, the third mode is all about the scenes. This scenes has some predefined modes, like it has a sunrise mode and sunset mode and movie mode and dating mode and romantic and blinking and candlelight mode. So there are 7 different modes available in this app, so you can select the one you like based on your mode. Now let me show you the voice control. Turn off work desk light. Here I'm using Google Assistant to listen to my voice.
Okay, turning the work desk light off.
Turn on work desk light.
Okay, turning on the work desk light.
Dim the work desk light.
Sure, dimming the work desk light.
Set brightness for work desk light to 90%.
Okay, setting the work desk light brightness to 90%.
So in my opinion, Govee LED Strip is really great and has loaded up with a lot of features in it. So if you want to have a nice background like this, I would suggest you to get one, and the name is Govee LED Strip. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.